I got here, I was going to go with turning Asher into Osher, and as we were studying different Yiddish writers, we came across Yiddish pen names and how they're not really names. They're these titles and strange things. So I was talking to some of my fellow Steiner students and came up with the Yiddish pen name Shomer Golis, which translates to keeper of the exile. And so I decided to use it as a pen name, and in class, I decided I would go by it. So to Asia's, to the constant smile on Asia's face when she has to say Shomer, I go by Shomer now. So yeah, that's my pen name for when I can hopefully actually write in Yiddish. I won't use it until I've earned the ridiculous superhero-esque name of Shomer Golis.